The rust stain. Success! This hack is something that has gone pending for quite some time. It has been a request from two of my dear friends, Valencia and half twin of my name, Flavy. I thank you for putting in this request hack, and definite enough, I have come up with the solution. So for those of you all who are interested to know how does this work, do stay along. So this is exactly the rust stain. I know it is designer types. I'm trying to scratch over it, but nothing is coming off on my nail as well. And let me tell you, this cloth is not kneaded cloth, so avoid the other dots that you see besides it, because that has nothing to do with the rust stain. So let's go into how this is cleared off. Very first thing that you would require is you would need to take salt. Yes, the normal salt that we use for food, the fine one, and just place it in a good amount over the stain, over the rust stain that you see. See that you spread it evenly over the stain in this way, and you have the whole of the stain covered with the salt that you just put over. Now what you all will require is lemon. You all will have to take that, slice it, and just put the juice over the salt that you had placed. Can you see the rust stain? It's quite visible now because of the wetness due to the lemon juice. Just see that you spread it nicely, the salt over it that is soaked with lemon, and you will then leave this aside to let it dry. Once dried, can you see the salt has loosened up over which we put the lemon juice? Now under this I have just placed a cloth, okay, just to ensure that if there's any staining it will not spread elsewhere. Thereafter, using a toothbrush, just try to scrub the salt or remove the salt from the stain in this way. Then using a white paste, a little amount, just spread it on top of the rust stain like I have done, and scrub it on top of it with the brush. As you go on scrubbing, you will notice the stain has started getting lighter. See, this is how the stain will look once you have scrubbed with the toothpaste. And now once you're done with the scrubbing, what you will do is on that same area you will pour white vinegar. Yes, and you'll let it soak in this way. You all can spread more toothpaste and then put the vinegar, and you will then leave this for drying. Once it is dried, it will look like this. Ensure you have to put cold water and do the scrub it up again with the toothbrush in this way over the stain, and this will now help it to completely fade off the stain. Can you notice the stain has already lightened up? I will just wash that area so that it will be clear enough. See, this is the place where the stain is. It is still a bit soapy kind of, so I will just wash that area thoroughly, and then again we'll leave it for drying. Finally, the moment of success, and can you see the stain is completely gone. Friends, I hope you all have found the hack useful. It is a little tedious, but then at the same time it is worth a try, especially for those who have had an experience of rust stains on their clothes. It's not easy to get rid of the rust stain. At the same time, let me remind you, this hack that I have shown is most likely useful for white clothes, but if it's colored clothes, I feel this hack is not worth a try, because the vinegar and all that scrubbing might actually lighten the color of your clothes. Only if it's a white color, then I would suggest you all to please give it a try. Else, please do not try it. Hopefully, if I get a better hack in future of how to remove rust stains from colored clothes, I'll definitely put it up. For those of you all who are visiting this channel for the first time, it's a sincere request from the bottom of my heart to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos. So I'll see you next time on How Hack. Do let those comments come in, especially for hack requests like this today's one. And for those who have hack suggestions, do let us know through email or in the comment section, and we'll definitely try to suggest it on our channel mentioning your name against the hack. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.